What's going on, family? Today we got a 2019 Mercedes-Benz CLS450. I'm gonna be showing you guys how to replace the engine oil and oil filter. Stay tuned. All right, first thing you're gonna want to do, take off this air duct. You just use a screwdriver, kind of push it back. You may have some on the bottom side, so it may be a little difficult. Those two front clips off. You have one clip here. You just pull it like that. Lift it forward. There's another clip back there. You gotta kind of use a screwdriver to get under there. There it looks. Here's your oil filter. You're gonna use a 1 1/8 socket. Put it on there. Just turn it like that. Might have better leverage if you use an extension, but I didn't think it was necessary. Once you get it loose enough, you can use your hand to take it off. Be careful not to drop no oil. But, I mean, if you do, it's okay, because you are doing the oil change. Just clean up after yourself. Right, there we go. Here's the oil filter. Time to put in a new one. And now we got a new oil filter in. It's pretty easy. You just pull the old one out and push this one in. It has like little clips. Now, you want to make sure, see this little knob right here with a gasket, that it goes inside of that hole right there. The one to the far back side of the filter housing. So when you place it in there, just make sure that goes in there. Once it sits in there, then you can start tightening up the oil filter. And use the same socket that you use, and you'll be ready to drain the oil. Yeah, once you jack up the vehicle, you got two undercovers here. That one there, their size 8mm. Got both hole here, identical on the other side, and two more on the back. Then you have to take off this big undercover. I just took off partial of it. I just took off 4 bolts, 2 on the front and 2 on the side. So I left the 2 on the back there and just let it hang. And then you have a size, just, you can use just a screwdriver. It has one of those replaceable plastic drain plugs. So you just take a screwdriver and screw it off. Once you get your screwdriver, stick your screwdriver in there to take out this plastic drain plug. I'm not sure why on these expensive cars you got this cheap little drain plug. And when you are draining this oil, make sure you have a drain pan that can hold 10 quarts, because it does take 10 quarts of oil. Just like that. Once you're completely drained, reinstall your drain plug, and you can put on your undercovers and fill up the oil. Remember to take 10 quarts of oil for the CLS450 rear wheel drive. I just add your 10 quarts of oil right there, and you're all done. Thank y'all for watching another video. If y'all got anything y'all need help with, leave it down in the comments. I'll be glad to help. Stay blessed.